Hello friends, today we will see the immutable and mutable data types in Python, and we will see the example also. So let's start. A first fundamental distinction that Python makes on data is about whether or not the value of an object changes. If the value can change, the object is called mutable, while if the value cannot change, the object is called immutable. It simply means, suppose you created any object and you change the value of that object, it simply means it is mutable, and if you are not able to change the value, it is called immutable. So let's see by this statement immutable object. These are of inbuilt type like int, float, bool, string, unicode, tuple, and etc. So just keep in mind one thing, these are inbuilt, okay, and once you create it, you cannot change the object. For an example, suppose you have created any tuple and you have given particular values in that tuple, so during the program you cannot change the value of that tuple. So let's see by this example. Tuple are immutable. We have taken tuple number 1 and we have taken values are 0, 1, 2, 3, and these value means 0, 1, 2, 3 we cannot change. Suppose let's see by this example. Suppose we change the value of index number 0, which is 0, okay. Suppose we change this value by 4, then and we print the tuple number 1, what will be the output? You will get what? You will get error, because you cannot change the tuple values, because tuple is what? Object. Everything in Python is object, okay. And this is tuple is what? Immutable object, and you are going to change the value, so it is not possible. I hope you understood. Now second thing, mutable object. These are of type list, dictionary, set, and custom classes. It simply means you can change the list, you can change the dictionary, you can change the set values. But let's see, suppose you have taken any list, color list, and you have taken three colors, red, blue, and green, and you print that color list, you will see the output. Now let's see, suppose you change the value of index number 0, which is red, by pink. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Suppose you are going to change one more value, -1 means green, and you are going to change value by orange, so you will see the output. Instead of red there is a pink, instead of green there is a orange. So in this way we can change mutable object, and that is why we have changed this color list, because list is mutable. So I hope you understood the concept of mutable and immutable object. If you have any doubt, you can write into comment box. Thank you for watching.